Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Friday, it's almost end of the working week. Yes, Friday, June the 24th, 2022, almost weekend. We have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Sudoku Light and the heavy Sudoku. And I want to remind you next week, a new month, July, yes, because next week we will do a speed test. The first Friday of the month, I will do always a speed test, especially with the light Sudoku and the heavy Sudoku. But in this newspaper, we have also an additional with seven puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a cipher block. Tectonic, yeah, in Dutch they call it cipher block, with 4 stars. We have with 1 star and a binary puzzle. So those puzzles, I'm not interested. 7 puzzles, half of them I will solve. 4 I will solve. Those are the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary, same as yesterday. Yes, same as yesterday. But first, we will solve this baby Sudoku Light 447. Yes, this will be 447. Not 007, but 447. Alright. 447. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 9 big squares. 9 big squares contains 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this should be easier than the 1 star. For the 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, this one maybe 11 minutes, 12 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. So let me start with the 1. 1 in the first row. 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. How about with the 2 then? Can I do something with the 2? 2 in this first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this first column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. All right, and all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Okay. All right. Let me continue with the 3 then. 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Well, and now I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. Here could be a 3, there could be a 3, so I need more information. Well, could be with the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 4 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the first row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the second column, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Now I can go back to the 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. Let me continue with the 5 then. Can I do something with the 5? That's the question. Alright. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 3 5s. 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. I think the 5 should be here. Yeah. But let me continue. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this row, so no 5 there, 5 should be there. Well, we have 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Well, 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 and the 7 and the 8 is missing. 5 and a 8, 5 and a 8. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. All right. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now I have all the 5s. Let me check, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 5. All right. Let me continue with the 6. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 6. Number 6. 7 in this row, third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 7, number 7. So 2 numbers are left, the 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. Okay, let's go to the first big square. We have a 9 here, so this should be an 8. This is complete. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and an 8 goes there. Here, this big square, 8 and a 9. This should be a 9, okay. This is also complete. This one, we have 1 box left. We have here the 9, so this box should be an 8. This box, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now, so this box should be an 8. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Well. Could be... Well, I'm faster than 50 minutes, but I thought maybe 11 minutes, 12 minutes. Well, we have completed again the Sudoku Light. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle. Sudoku heavy. How heavy? I do not know. We will see. Until then, Bye bye for now. Yes, 447.